guys, Merry Christmas. So today we're playing Roblox, and my Shadow Dragon is really excited to play the floor of lava with you guys. So yeah, let's go. And today I made like a bracelet for the animal loving nation, and I also have a necklace. It has a picture of the symbol soon, and you're gonna see it on the channel. And then there's a bell on my bracelet. So yeah, Merry Christmas. Can you believe there's only 3 days till Christmas Day? I can't. And today we're gonna dig into this huge updated game, but it's taking too long to load, so I guess we're not gonna play it. And it's gonna check out some more games. I suggest to you, maybe a few little minutes of Meep City. A cool, teeny tiny little game that I want to play with you. I have a pretty cool account on it. You should see it. You should see my character. Let's wait. Oh yeah, that's the glitch that happens every time in Meep City. So I'm not using it playing Meep City with you. So guys, today we're just gonna play a little tiny round of or few of Be a Parkour Ninja. It's a pretty cool game. I think you should play it. And yeah, so this is what we're gonna be playing for this video. I'll try to get some kills in. Involved time. Oh, those are my target. Hey guys, laser boy. I laser like a bunch of these people. Once I shot with laser. How could he? Kill me. Ooh, my target. What? He told me and he didn't get, and it didn't count my kill as a kill. Ding ding. He ran away. Great. Guys, I'm pretty bad at this. I'm escaping. So guys, my Shadow Dragon's very angry right now. Oh yeah, I'm really angry. See? And don't miss. These people are messing with me. Huh? They want to mess? Oh, you want to battle? Oh, Merry Christmas. That's your present. Still, I see why they didn't add that. That's because I wasn't close up. I don't even know how he died. But my Shadow Dragon's calm. Right? Yes. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video, even though it's shorter than the last time. And Merry Christmas. Bye.